So this is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake, Minnesota, and I have with me today Violet. Now, Violet, you've been getting adjusted for how long?
Only like 2 weeks, I'd say.
Yeah, and this was new to you, right? The adjustments were new. So what was that like? If someone's sitting out there right now and they've never been adjusted before, like, how did it go?
It went pretty well. I mean, I had noticed that I was having some neck problems and some back pain, and then after my first adjustment, I felt a lot better. It's not been bothering me as much. So.
Awesome. So maybe you're sitting out there, yeah. So maybe you're sitting out there right now and you have neck problems, back problems, shoulder problems, and you're looking for some options. Maybe chiropractic, maybe Lakewood's Chiropractic in Forest Lake can help. So if someone's sitting out there right now and maybe they're nervous or maybe they're a skeptic of trying chiropractic out, like, what would you say to them if they're sitting out there right now?
I would say just be open to trying something new. I mean, I've never gone to chiropractic before, and it was a great experience. It's quick, it's easy, more nice, so I would have just recommended it.
Awesome. Well, thanks, Violet. This is Dr. Gerard at Lakewood.